Alright, so we're back here working today on this DLS, Robe DLS with the busted power supply. I was able to separate the head from the base. This is the base over here. Had a fan in the way, had like 6 screws on the bottom, and all the wires, of course. Hopefully I remember where they all go. Fan connections, power supply connections. So I think if I take off all these screws, I should be able to slide this whole thing out, hopefully. And then here's our new one. So hopefully it all works, it all comes together. Got all my tools. I'll take some time, but should be able to do it and get it going again. Alright, well, check back in a bit. Okay, well, my suspicion was correct. Took out all these black screws up here, and the whole thing just slides out nice and easy. There we go. Power supply for DLS. Robe. Nope, this one's no good. See if I can get some of my friends that are good with electronics to repair that. But here's the new one. Appear to be the same. Good. Ordered the right part. So we'll go back in place and watch it come together. Alright guys, so here we are. I got the new power supply in place, screwed together, or secured. Just getting the DC output wires connected. So after that, we'll just take the whole thing, set it in its base, get it all screwed down, and hook up all these wires again, make sure the fan's back in place. And then we got these 2 side panels here. This is our power and data input panel. And this is our screen, touchscreen control with its integrated battery. So we'll get those put back in place and just make sure we route all the wires correctly. Hopefully get them all hooked up correctly, and then we'll power it on and test it. So it's coming along. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to have to take the whole head assembly off, but it came out as one unit, which is nice and good enough for the future. Alright, we'll be done soon. Alright, well, here we go. I got it all back together. Power's plugged in. Got the switch off right now, but everything's unlocked. It's free to move. The only thing that's missing now are the covers. So let's fire it up. Switch right here. Fire in the hole. Make sure it doesn't blow up. That noise is just it resetting everything. So far so good. Hasn't blown up in my face. It seems happy. Let's see if we can test it. Let's see, we'll just go to test sequence and dynamic mode. Ooh. Kill the lights here. well, I'd say we have a pretty successful repair here. Seems to be doing all of its normal functions. Next we'll have to get the covers back on and put it back on the pipe. Make sure it still works out there. Shouldn't be any different, but we'll check it out that way too. So we look good so far. We'll do one final test and then we can call this one done. Okay, I got it all hung back in place. So now we just gotta power it on and see what happens. Let's go over here to our controller. Paradigm controller. Let's see. Put in the secret code. And we'll say moving lights on. Focus. There we go. And she's moving around again. Focus. Alright, let's see. We'll do our little test program again. Alright, well, I think that's it for this one. Got all fixtures working again. So that's just a look at replacing the power supply on a Robe lighting Robin DLS profile fixture. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more.